Original classic. Original classic. Original classic. Original classic.
Alright, last thing to do is to mount the battery. So I got this stuff at Lordco. There's be a battery mount. Bolt it down there somewhere. These will be the tie downs. Yep. Final piece. Alright, I think it looks good right there. Let's drill some holes and get it installed. Alright, let's turn it on and see what happens. Yeah, she's working. Alright, so it's all done. That's what it's pretty much going to look like when you open the trunk. Looks pretty clean. Got to clean up some of this stuff, but yeah, looks pretty good. What's going on? Today's a pretty exciting day. Car's all done, as you can see. It's on the ground, it's got the wheels on. Yeah, I think it's time for its first air down. Let's check it out. Alright, what do you guys think? It's not bad. It's pretty low. It obviously can be lower. Yeah, now I just gotta dial in the fitment. I could probably use some spacers. I gotta adjust some camber in the back here. This one's cambered like crazy. I'm not liking that. But yeah, now it's time to dial it all in. Looks pretty good.